Hey everyone, my name is Sahil, and in today's video we will discuss the suspension clamp installation checklist. This checklist ensures your suspension clamps work reliably and your cables stay secure on site. But why should you listen to me? At Axis, we've been manufacturing and supplying overhead line hardware such as suspension clamps to more than 100 countries from the last 30 years. Our accessories are approved in more than 80 utilities across India, Africa, Latin America, and the globe. But let's start with the basics. What are suspension clamps? Suspension clamps are used to suspend and grip neutral messenger cables in low voltage aerial bundle cable systems. They hold cables in place without damaging the insulation. A suspension clamp attaches to a bracket to support the cable's weight and keep it secure along the route. Now, let's discuss this checklist. Firstly, product specification and performance standards. Before you procure a suspension clamp, ensure it is tested as per NFC 33040. Ask your supplier for the test certificates. This standard ensures the clamps meet safety and performance requirements for LV cable systems. All suspension clamps manufactured at Axis comply with NFC 33040. Secondly, proper cable selection. Different suspension clamps are designed for different cable sizes. Pick the cable size according to the cable size from the datasheet. Using a clamp of the wrong size will not grip the cable properly. Your clamp may slip or damage the cable insulation. Thirdly, installation orientation. Do not install the suspension clamp upside down. Many installers make this mistake on site. When installed upside down, the clamp cannot grip the cable properly and the cable will slip under load. This can cause the cable to drop out from the clamp or sag unnaturally, creating a safety hazard. Always check the orientation before tightening. Fourthly, use only a wooden hammer or mallet. Do not use a metal hammer or any other tool to install the suspension clamp. Metal hammers can damage the clamp body and deform the plastic. A damaged clamp will not grip the cable securely. It will slip under load and will cause it to drop or break. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on electrical engineering. Fifthly, special conditions. Different utilities across India and the world use different cable types based on their requirements. Some utilities use bare messenger cables and need suspension clamps with grit. Others use insulated cables and need clamps without grit. For example, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, these states typically use bare messenger cables, while Assam, West Bengal and Kerala use insulated cables. Sixthly, make sure you use engineering grade plastic. Do not accept clamps made from random or low quality plastic. Engineering grade plastic is UV and weather resistant, providing strength and durability. It can withstand extreme conditions without degrading. Low quality plastic will crack and fail under stress. This compromises the clamp's ability to grip the cable securely. Number 7. Locking. Proper locking is crucial. Some clamps have multiple threads that need to be tightened. Many installers only tighten a few threads and ignore the others. This is incorrect. When you don't tighten all threads, the clamp does not grip uniformly. Hence, uneven pressure is applied to the cable. The cable will slip under load. Over time, this can cause the cable to drop or break. Number 8. Adequate assembly. Use proper assembly like brackets and eye hooks. They must be rated for your cable's weight and pulling force. This means that they are tested and approved to safely support your cable. A weak or improper assembly cannot handle the load. Over time, the cable will sag or slip, and in the worst case, it can break under tension. Number 9. The installation angle. Before installing the suspension clamp, check the angle at which the cable turns. At turning points, many installers use a single suspension clamp to save cost. Here, you need 2 anchoring clamps. If the cable has a sharp turning angle, you cannot use a single suspension clamp. A single clamp creates uneven load distribution. This clamp will again slip or fail under tension. I hope you now have a clear understanding of what to check before buying and installing suspension clamps. If you have missed anything important, please share it in the comments section below. At Axis, we are proud of our contribution to rural electrification projects across India, Africa, Latin America and the globe. Axis products are critical to the success of government schemes like Saubhagya and the currently running RDSS as well, playing a key role in enhancing electrical infrastructure. Before you move on to another video, Remember that even the best checklist can't compensate for inadequate installation. Watch this video to learn about the correct installation procedures for suspension clamps.